Morning class 5th. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss picture composition. So, what is picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or a set of pictures. So, it involves writing sentences related to the given picture, or they may also give you set of pictures. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentence, right? So you need to observe the picture very carefully and you need to describe the picture in the form of a story or in the form of a composition by using meaningful sentence. Now here there is an example of picture composition. Look at the given picture above and complete the story with the help of the words given in the box. Okay, so sometimes they provide you with a picture and they already provide you with the story, right? And they have given us words and you need to fill the story with the proper words. So how will you do it? Before doing or writing such story, right, using the picture, you need to be remembering the following points. So points to remember are: observe the picture properly, right? First of all, first thing you need to do is you need to observe the picture properly. Then read the story thoroughly. Now they have given us a story but it is not complete, right? So we need to read it to understand what is story about. Try to understand the story. Try to understand what is the story and try to compare the story with the pictures. Read the hints properly. Now they have provided us with the hints, the words, right? And read them properly. Try filling the correct words in the story to complete it. Okay, after observing the picture, reading the story thoroughly, understanding the story, reading the words, now try to fill the story with the correct words. After you have filled the story with the correct words, reread it and edit if needed. Now once you have filled all the words, again read the story, right? And you can make changes if any needed, right? Now give a suitable title to the story. If they have not provided a title to the story, give it and also write the moral of the story. Okay, so these are the points you should remember while writing the composition. Okay, now let us try to complete this story. Look at the picture given above and complete the story with the help of the words given in the box. So they have provided us a picture and they have also given us a story, but we need to fill in the story with the correct words they have provided us in the box. Okay, so first thing what we will do is that we will observe the picture very carefully. So what we can see a fox and there is a grapevine, right? So we can guess the story. It is a story of the grapes, the fox and the grapes, right? Now here let us read the story and try to fill it with the correct words. Once a fox was very dash. As it could not get anything to eat for a long time, it strolled in search of dash. It dashed all along the jungle, but its dash were in vain. There was a garden near the forest. It went there in dash of food. There it saw dash of grapes hanging from a dash. Its mouth began to dash. It wanted to eat them, so it jumped again and again to reach them, but in vain. The dash were hanging too high for it to get. At last it gave up the dash and went away. Went away saying the grapes are sour, right? Now we need to fill in the blanks with proper words. So once a fox was, I can use the word hungry, right? So once the fox was very hungry, as it could not get anything to eat for a long time, it strolled in search of food. It dashed all along the jungle, but its dash were in vain. So it searched all along the jungle, but its efforts, yes, very good, efforts were in vain. There was a garden near the forest. It went there in dash of food. So again he went to the garden in search of food. There it saw dash of grapes hanging from a dash. So you can see dash of grapes, bunches of grapes hanging from a vine. Its mouth began to, now if you are hungry and you see anything, your mouth will begin to water. So its mouth began to water. It wanted to eat them. So it jumped again and again to reach them, but in vain. The grapes were hanging too high for it to get. At last it gave the last word is attempt and went away saying, the grapes are sour. Right? Now we have used all the words. Now next thing what we need to do is we need to check, right? We need to read the story and edit it if we want, right? So this is how we do the picture composition, right? We observe the picture properly and then fill in the correct words properly. Now here they have already given us the title, the grapes are sour. So if they have not provided us with the title, you need to give the title to the story also. And what will be the moral of the story, class? Can you guess? What will be the moral? The moral of the story will be nothing comes easy without hard work, right? So what the fox didn't wanted to work hard, right? He didn't wanted to work hard to get the grapes, and hence he didn't get it, and at last he went away saying that the grapes are sour, they are not sweet, right? So this is the moral of the story, right? You can think of another moral also, right? It all depends on your imagination. Okay, so I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.